Hello guys, welcome to the second part of Lalo virus removal guide. In this video I am going to show you that how to get the backup of infected images and PDF format files for free. If you have not yet seen the first part of the Lalo virus, please go and watch. In that I have completely explained you that how can you remove the Lalo virus from your PC or laptop. Okay, and guys, if you have not yet removed the Lalo virus from your PC, then guys, this video will be not so useful for you. So I am recommending you to first get rid of this Lalo virus and then get the pictures and PDF file backup. Okay, so guys, without wasting your time, let's get directly started. Myself Mohammad Shadan and you're watching our channel Learn Easily. As you can see, we are on our desktop screen. Okay, I have separately stored the Lalo infected files. I have already removed the virus from my PC. Okay, here is it. I am going to convert the Lalo files. First let's start with photos. Okay, as you can see, I have just changed the formats here. Okay, if you have this type of file now, I think you have this type of file. Okay, it is showing like this. Okay, it may showing like this. Okay, I have converted to this type. This is a notepad file. As we open it, appears some codes. Okay, how can you convert it means just click on it, just right click and go to properties. Okay, just here it is showing unknown application. Okay, just click change and more apps and just select notepad. Guys, remember to select only notepad. Okay, we need its code. Okay, after that apply and click OK. As you can see, it has changed format. Okay, now first I am going to show you how to convert photos. Okay, I have already converted these all files. As you can see the type, these are all Lalo files. Okay, to do this we need a software. Okay, I have provided the link in the description of this software. Okay, and copying this and pasting on Google Chrome. Yeah, let's paste here. Yeah, enter. Yeah, ad will appear. Okay, just click arrow here and close this. Please wait 1 second. Okay, after that just click skip ad. A new tab will appear. Here is showing plus allow. Just click allow here. You will redirect to that page. As you can see, here it is. Okay, just click on the download option. Okay, it directly go to a drive and here it is saying download infected file. Yeah, download it. I am going to save this on my desktop. Save. After downloading this, just go back and install that software and as administration. As you can see here, just choose your language. Okay, just click on next.
Just click decline and your software is downloading now. Okay, it may take few minutes. Okay, depending upon your net speed. As you can see, it is almost completed. Yeah, it is completed. Let's click on finish. Yeah, all done. It is asking to install. Yeah, and click on install now. Yeah, they are telling thank you. Okay, just click the language here. Okay, welcome to our shampoo converter. Just click next. Accept the policies. Click next. No, we need express installation. Click next. It is extracting the files within few seconds.
Installation will be complete. Guys, if you have not hit the subscribe button and like button, please do that, please. Okay, and launch a shampoo photo converter. Click on it, guys. Let be tick mark. Okay, and let's finish. Again, one more file is website is opened here, and they are asking a shampoo of 40 days free or full version trial. Okay, just hit your email address here. No, just hit your email address. I have here this, and just request for full version key. Activate account, please check your email now. They have sent the key to my mail. I'm going to select the mail and Gmail. You can give any mail, okay, email, Gmail, Hotmail, okay. Yeah, you can see here it is, almost there. Please click here to confirm. Yeah, I'm going to click it.
Yeah, they are showing the license key. Just copy it, guys. If you have any queries, please comment below, okay. Here they are asking, you want to buy this or you want to get the free trial. Click on the free trial now, okay. We have already the link, so just click here activate now. Click here activate now and just click on continue. After that, this software shows some ad. Just click no thanks. Here it's our software, okay, a shampoo, okay. Just go to start the convert and just add the file, okay. It is here, new folder, Lalo files, photos. Yeah, here it is telling no item match your search, okay. Just change the format here. Yeah, you can see here common format too. Just click here all files, okay, all files, select, this is all files, and just click 2 to 3 files here. Going to open this. As you can see, the thumbnail, it is appearing here, okay. That means these are the files, okay. Just click on next. Yeah, it is asking some definite what quality you want, and just select whatever how much you want, okay. So this is actually a JPG format, okay. This is converted into JPG format. As you can see, there are a lot of formats: JPG, PNG, TIFF formats, BMP formats, okay. What format you want, you can convert it. I'm converting to JPG formats, and it will be stored to the documents, okay. Just start. As you can see, operation completed successful. Just click OK and just click finish. Now let's check it is completed or not. Documents, here it is, documents. As you can see, guys, all files have been successfully converted. I have converted the Lalo infected files for you for free, guys. It's obviously free. I have completely showed you how can you download this software, how can you convert, how can you get the trial version, okay, everything. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Before I'm going to show the PDF files, I'm going 5 seconds of time. Please go and subscribe. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you have subscribed my channel and you think you have hit the like button. So now I'm going to show you how to convert the PDF files, okay. So here I have some PDF files. So just go to your Google Chrome, okay. Just close all these browsers and just go to Google Chrome again. Yeah, in this Google, paste this link. Yeah, provided this link, PDF backup link, okay. Here it is. Just copy and paste on Google search URLs and just hit enter, okay. Ad will appear. Just wait for a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's done. It is showing skip ad. Just skip this ad. After clicking skip, it is telling please allow to continue. Yeah, press allow. Now within second it redirect to a file. Yeah, here we can go. This is a website of PDF to go, okay. In this, come downwards, scroll it down. Here you can see multiple files, okay, options: PDF to GPG, PDF to PowerPoint, Excel, text, and here you can see prepare your PDF option. Click on it, guys, okay. Just choose the file, okay. It's on my desktop, Lalo PDF. Just click it and just click open. Yeah, it is uploaded, and now just click start. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, guys, this is successfully converted. Yeah, this is just download and save. Now let's, yeah, guys, as you can see, I've just converted the file, man, for you. Yeah, it's also free, guys, okay. I have successfully converted the Lalo infected files in front of you, okay. Please do subscribe for my channel, guys. I am doing this for you all for free, okay. I can even expect the subscribe button. I don't know how you will do. Just click on that red talking thumb line. Subscribe. If you have not yet seen my another video, I have provided the link of this Lalo virus removal and recovery guide in English, guys. Go and click on it. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I have provided all the links in the description. Yep, the end. You're still here, man. It's over. Bye bye.